If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Cash Like Money. Today is a day in the life of a lash tech, but I'm going to show you like I just had a client today, but I'm going to show you like what a non-client day looks like. But before we get into that, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam Fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked into my newest content. Let's get into the video, shall we? I have this Dynamo, and I got the clear labels. They look like, where's the clear label? So I have the clear labels, and they look like this. This is just clear, transparent. This is about like $2, and I think this is like under $10. I'm just going and I'm labeling all of my stuff, so I just did that and printed out the glue one, and I'm going to do that for all of my stuff. And I'm going to spray paint my cart today, and it's going to be this pink color. And probably with my Cricut, I will be putting my logo on my cart. So it's a mess right now, but it's gonna be real cute, and then I'll do a cart tour at the end, so stay tuned for that. Full of items that I'm going to be labeling. As you can see here, I already got my labels picked out, so I'm going to put them on here. And I have 2 fans and I have 2 tape dispensers. Don't ask why, I just do. I'm excessive, I guess, and I'm just using this to label it all. So yeah, this is really for my own personal want to do this, and if state board ever came in, everything would be legit and legal and labeled and sanitized. So that's why I'm gonna do some behind the scenes stuff. So right now I'm organizing my cart, and my daughter is putting together my aftercare cards, and I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so let's get into the video, shall we? Okay, Kaylani, what are you doing today?
I'm putting the cards in here, and I'm gonna set them up, so then smash that like button.
Smash that like button. Good morning.
And then it's tight.
Okay, and then can you show me where does it go? You take all the finished ones. Okay, take the finished ones here. Take these ones, and then we're gonna put them where? Show me where they go. Show me where they go.
They go over here.
They go over here. And we put them nice and neat. Good job. Thank you for help. All right, guys, so I have these cards. I got them from Amazon. These are for my Black Friday. We're having an expo event here on the 21st from 1 to 5, and this is the gift cards that I'm giving to my clients. If they spend over $100 on gift cards, they get a free 30-minute service. So that's this. So my daughter is putting those cards in little gift bags to prepare for that event.
And then the other one, then you have to keep on doing it when I'm done with the code it, because if you want to still record it if you want to. You can do it if you want to still, because I'm doing the cards still.
Okay, ready? This is the last one.
Okay.
Okay. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam Fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked into my newest content.